Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a truly transformative initiative. EON AI Ventures' WealthWeaver platform is targeting the global south like never before.
That's right. This isn't just another program. It's a blueprint to unlock 5x better unit economics and access markets 3 to 5 times larger than those in the West.
We're talking about regions like India, Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, home to 1.8 billion youth. With AI democratization and mobile-first economies, they're leapfrogging old barriers.
And the economics are stunning. 73% lower customer acquisition costs, dramatically cheaper infrastructure, and founder teams achieving profitability within 18 to 24 months.
The initiative is also culturally intelligent, with localized legal and funding guidance, support for microfinance, and XR-based training via EON Reality's global ecosystem.
Plus, it's not just about numbers. This is impact entrepreneurship, creating jobs, supporting UN SDGs, and giving young people the power to build billion-dollar ventures.
It's the future of global innovation, and it's not happening in Silicon Valley. It's happening on rooftops, in co-working hubs, and through smartphones all over the global south. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.